this exercise, we're gonna talk about the dumbbell deadlift. Now, for those of you that are beginners, or for those of you that are coming off of back injuries, or have had any back injuries in the past, or you just got a lower back that's a little bit weaker than you'd like, and you're a little cautious jumping into the barbell deadlift, dumbbells are a great way to start off and get that form. You wanna make sure that your lower back isn't engaged at all during this process, because that's where a lot of injuries happen. Now, when you're doing deadlifts, you're gonna feel this in various muscles. You're gonna feel this in your legs, your hamstrings, that big old butt, but you're also gonna feel this a little bit in your back as well. We're gonna show you what the perfect form to do deadlifts are, and once you get a hang of it, you can kind of upgrade and go to barbell, or just keep going heavier in weight. But with the dumbbells, it does give you that ease of option if you'd like to start low, perfect your form, and kind of work your way up. So let's take a look at dumbbell deadlifts. A good way to picture how the motion of a deadlift is supposed to go is following the dumbbell path. And what I mean by that is when you first start going down, think of the dumbbells dragging along your quads, and once it touches your knees, you bring your butt down. And once you go past your butt, you never bend it, but you just continue down until you reach 90-degree angle from your butt, hamstrings to the ground. A good key also is to not lean too forward and try to keep your knees over your heels. Now, sometimes it's not possible, but just keeping that in your mind will help.